So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can relink the media in the media pool, or how you can relink it manually, or how you can change the source folder of the media in your DaVinci Resolve. Now, if this media have been gone, if it have been gone offline, just simply right click on it, and here you'll see this option that says just simply right click over there, and here either you can just simply open the file location, and if your file is going to be empty for you, either you'll find this option that says change media storage or change source location, or what you can do, you can just simply click on this option of change clip attributes, and in here you go to the section that says name, and in here you can easily change the file path that you can use to change the source of the file. So you can easily do it in the clip attribute section.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.